Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. And if you're new, consider subscribing to my channel. And I'm just gonna get right into the video. So I'm gonna be telling you guys the 5 highlighters I feel like everybody needs this summer. Because you're gonna be at the beach, you're gonna be at the pool, you're gonna be everywhere, you're gonna be at the parties, you wanna be glowing. Sometimes you may wanna glow like people in outer space can see your highlight. Sometimes you want a subtle glow. So I'm going to show you the 5 highlighters. Honestly, guys, you need this in your life. And they're affordable. So the first one I'm going to show you guys is from e.l.f. And it looks like so. And I'm going to swatch this for you guys. This retails for $6. And I'm sure you can get it from anywhere they sell e.l.f. products. And this is what that looks like. I really like this. I feel like if you have, I'm just gonna get a wipe. If you have golden undertones, that will really work very well for you. So the next one I'm gonna mention, it's not really an highlighter, it's an eyeshadow, but for the price and for the color of it, they have a lot of colors. I thought this would be perfect. And this is from Create Your Own, like Create Your Own Beauty. And I believe they have this in Walgreens. I don't know anywhere else they have it, but I picked it up from my Walgreens. And if you're in New York, Walgreens or Duane Reade, they sell them there. And maybe, I don't know, I didn't check Walmart. I didn't check on their website, but this is like a very copper ting going on here. So you guys can see how nice that is. And this is in the shade Lovey Dovey. Like I said, this is a eyeshadow, so they have plenty of colors. So no matter what your skin tone is, you are going to be able to find a color that matches you for a highlight. And that was $4.15. It's so pigmented, you only need a little bit. So I think it's a bargain. You need that in your life. The next one is this H&M Glow to Go stick. And I really like highlighter sticks like this. You can use them in multiple different ways. You can use it under your makeup. I feel like when I use cream highlighters or stick highlighters, and I just, you know, swipe it on my cheekbones before I put any base makeup on, and then I just blend it in. Whatever I put over that, it just gives me like a subtle glow. And if you want, you can then add highlight over it, but I like this for that purpose. And if you want to use it over your makeup, just swirl your fingers over the top and tap it on your cheeks, and you're good to go. So this is a swatch, and this is what that looks like. I like to wait for the light to dim and focus on my hand so you guys can see what it truly looks like against what my true skin tone is. So that's what it looks like. And that retails, I'm always dropping something. This retails for $9.99. The next one I'm going to talk about, I feel like is perfect for people that don't necessarily want to put on a full face of makeup. Some people generally don't even wear makeup, but if you want to, or like a full face every day, so if you just want like a very beautiful subtle glow without any makeup, you can mix this Maybelline this Maybelline Master Strobing Liquid. You can mix it in with your moisturizer, or even with your BB cream or your CC cream, or just like any, you can mix it in with your, like after you're done doing your morning routine, you can mix it with a serum. You can, like I said, you can mix it in with your oil. You can mix this in with whatever, and I really love that about it. They come in multiple different colors. Obviously everything I'm showing you guys are colors that match my skin tone. So I'm just sharing this out so you guys can see the nice glow that it gives. And I only put a little bit on, but you can see how it just looks like a subtle sheen. Just, I love. You can see this part of my hand that has nothing, and then look at the sheen it gives here. So you guys can see how if you just place it or put it in your moisturizer or your oils, you're just gonna have a really beautiful glow. So the last but not least are these they both say baked bronzer, but every time I see a baked bronzer that has any sheen in it, I always use them for highlighters. I don't know anyone that would use these two that I'm about to mention for bronzer, but do you? The first one I'm going to show you guys is from Ruby Kisses, and it looks like that. And the next one is from Makeup Revolution, and it's called the Vivid Baked Bronzer. Ow. And this looks like so. And compared to each other, they're basically the same size. Let me swatch what this looks like for you guys. The Ruby Kisses one retails for $5.99 from the beauty supply store. That's where I get all my Ruby Kisses from. And the Makeup Revolution I got from Ulta. So as you guys can see, they look relatively the same. This up here is the Makeup Revolution, and this is the Ruby Kisses one. See how like they're literally the same? I mean, it might look a little different on camera depending on the way the light is hitting it, but out of every highlighter that I own, and I have a lot of highlighters. Like, I should stop buying highlighters, but I won't, because you need highlighters. You need to be shining. Like, you need to be booming. So those are the highlighters that I feel like you need this summer, so you can be glowing and no one can tell you nothing because you're glowing. You look rich. Your body is gleaming. And I'm going to end this video because I'm starting to not make sense. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.